Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to see your friend requests on your Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know who are the people are adding you on your Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can see friend requests on your Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then in here, to see the friend request on your Facebook, tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then once you are in here, you will see the all shortcuts and below that here is friends. Tap on this friends and you'll see here the people who are adding you in your Facebook. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can see your friend requests on your Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can see your friend requests on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.